Hello friends, myself Professor Umang Shah, Department of Accountancy, Assistant Professor, New LJ Commerce College. As far as my introduction concerned, I completed my bachelor and masters from Gujarat University. Currently, I am pursuing my CA final. Topic today I am going to cover is basic definitions of Income Tax Act, which carrying 10% of weightage of your examination concern. So let's begin the topic. For the easiness of the topic, I bifurcated this chapter in the two parts. In first part, we will consider some terminology of the Income Tax Act. Income tax. Tax collected by the central government for each financial year on the total taxable income of an assessee earned during the previous year is called income tax. What is previous year? That we will consider later. Income. The legislature defined income under section 2, subsection 24 in an illustrative manner to include profit and gain, dividend, voluntarily contribution received by a charitable or a religious trust or institution or association or university or educational institutions or hospital or electoral trust. The value of perquisite or a profit in lieu of salary taxable under section 17 and special allowances or a benefit specifically granted either to meet personal expenses or for the performance of duties of an office or an employment of a profit. Export incentives, any interest, salary, bonus, commission, or remuneration earned by partner of a firm from such firm. Continue. Any capital gain chargeable under section 45. Profit and gain from the business of banking, insurance by cooperative society with its members. Winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, race including horse race, card games and other games of any sort or from gambling or betting of any form or nature whatsoever. Deemed income under section 41 or 59. Any sum received under keyman insurance policy including the sum allocated by way of bonus on such policy. So we can see it's a huge definition. Next, it's important definition of the Income Tax Act, assessee and person. The definition of the assessee is given under section 2 subsection 7 to mean a person by whom any tax or any other sum of money is payable under the act, and it includes every person in respect of whom any proceedings has been initiated under the act for the assessment of his income, loss or refund, or the income loss or refund any other person in respect of which he is assessable. A person who is deemed to be an assessee under any provision of the act. A person who is deemed to be an assessee in default under any provision of the act. Now, what is person? Person as defined under section 2 subsection 31 includes an individual, a Hindu undivided family, that is HUF, a company, a firm, an association of person, or a body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, that means registered or not, a local authority being a municipality, municipal corporation, panchayat or cantonment board, and every artificial judicial person not falling within any of the preceding subclauses. While every assessee is a person, every person need not to be assessed to tax when the term person is used in any provision. It is implied that all persons, whether accessible to tax or not, are intended to be covered unless the context gives a different meaning. We are taking one case law. Once a proceeding is initiated under Section 201, the person shall be deemed to be an assessee in default. The definition of assessee under Section 2, subsection 7 includes regular assessees as well as deemed assessees accordingly, irrespective of whether assessment proceedings are initiated or not, a person as all. What is individual? The term individual means only a natural person, that is, a human being. It includes both males and females. It also includes a minor or a person of unsound mind. However, the assessment in such a case can be made on the guardian or a manager of the minor or lunatic. In the case of a deceased person, assessment would be made on the legal representative, association of person, or any body of individuals. The conceptual difference between an AOP and BOI can be summarized as under: any person, that is company, LLP, that is limited liability partnership, firm, etc., can be a member in an AOP. However, only individuals can be members in BOI. There is common will and desire among the members of an AOP, and they voluntarily join together to carry on the activities. In the case of a BOI, such common will and desire is lacking, and it is formed by operation of law. In the case of an AOP as well as BOI, the provisions relating to computation and taxability of income are the same. We are considering one practical example on the definitions of a person. We have to classify following in the light of definition of a person. Anand Kumar is an individual person, natural human being. Rajkot Municipal Corporation, artificial judicial person. RBL Bank Company, any bank it carries limited or a private limited behind its name, it we will consider company. Patel and Shah Brothers, partnership firm. ABC Private Limited, company. Kirti Sagar Cooperating Housing Society, it is AOP, that is Association of Person. So students, you must have enjoyed this video. We will meet in the next part of this chapter. Thank you.